Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Listed company Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited, MDS, is expanding its footprint in Western Jamaica with the multi-million-dollar acquisition of Cornwall Medical and Dental Supplies based in St. James. I recently sat down with the company's CEO on the new venture. Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited has spent $162.5 million to acquire interests in another medical supplies company based in Montego Bay, St. James.
We've acquired another company in the industry, Cornwall Medical and Dental Supplies Limited. We have formed a new entity which will be a subsidiary of MDS, and the name of that subsidiary is Cornwall Enterprises Limited, of which MDS will hold a 60% stake.
Chief Executive Officer Kurt Booth says this is a key step in the company's expansion strategy. The new subsidiary should be operational by September 1, 2021.
It means a lot for both partners, and I think I think we've created a win-win situation where we can achieve a lot of synergies. So for us, it's expansion of our operations and our offerings. It means that in our medical division, we would have expanded our market share as part of our growth strategy. It also means that we would have added to our offerings, as we would now be a major player in the dental market.
The acquisition also means Medical Disposables and Supplies will now have 3 pharmacies under its belt, 2 in Montego Bay and 1 in Savannah Lamar. And even as the company expands its local footprint, it's not eyeing regional growth just yet.
I would say no immediate plans. Of course, I wouldn't be truthful if I said that we didn't have our eyes outside of Jamaican waters, but there's so much ground to cover immediately. We don't want to put the cart before the horse.
However, the company is keen on expanding the brands on offer, especially under its consumer goods division. This has seen substantial growth over the last year. Medical Disposables and Supplies listed on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange in 2013. Now on to currency trading. The US dollar ended the day selling for $150.13. The Canadian is going for $123.10. The pound is selling for $209.45, while the euro is going for $180.58. The JSE index declined by 5,985 points, while the junior market index advanced by 3 points. Among the winners were G West Corporation, CAC 2000, Knutsford Express, Epley's 8.5% preference shares, and Palace Amusement. On the losing side were Separate, Kingston Properties, KLE Group, Carib Cement, and Dermont Trading. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.